We will now create the mold core. First, save your file under a new name. First, we will prepare the solid to create the core. Select the Solids Manager. Look for the Extrude Cut option that was used to create these cutouts. Then right-click on it and select Suppress. Disable wireframe visibility if necessary. Then look for the operation representing this cutout and this one. Our model will now appear as shown. Select Wireframe, and then select Curve All Edges, and change the view to bottom. Select this face, then press End Selection. Leave the Curve All Edges parameters at their default. Then press OK to exit the command. Zoom in on this area. Select this line and press Delete on your keyboard. Then delete this line. Select Transform, and then select Offset Chains. Select this chain here. Then press OK. Pick a point outside of the chain to indicate the offset direction. Make sure the method is set to Move, and set the distance to 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select Wireframe, and then select Line Endpoints. Make sure Freeform and Tangent are selected. Select the first endpoint here, and the second endpoint here. Press OK and create new operation, and then select these endpoints. Press OK to exit the command. Change your view back to isometric. Select Solids, and then select Extrude. Select the chain here. Then press OK. Make sure the arrow is pointing down, and change the operation type to Add Boss. Select Advanced, and disable Draft. Return to Basic, and set the distance to 0.25, and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select all wireframe entities, and then change it to level 1. Make sure the operation is set to Move. Change your view to bottom. Then select Wireframe and Curve All Edges, and select this face. Then press End Selection. Press OK to exit the command. Zoom in and delete these two lines. Then hold Shift on your keyboard and select the inner set of curves, and press Delete on your keyboard. Change your view back to isometric, and unshade the part so you can get a better view of the wireframe. Select Line Endpoints. Select this endpoint, and then this one. Then press OK to exit the command. Reshade the geometry, and save your file. When this warning appears, select Yes. Select Transform Translate. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this line. Then press End Selection. Make sure the method is set to Move, and change the Z delta to -0.25 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Solids, and then select Impression. Select the chain here. Make sure only solid body is selected, and then select the solid. Then press OK. Clear colors. Select the solid impression here. Then select Transform Dynamic. Select the endpoint here. Then move your mouse cursor over the Z-axis until the ruler appears. Type in -6 on your keyboard and press enter twice. Press OK to exit the command. Click on Select All Result Entities. Then right-click in the graphics window and select Change Level. Change the level number to 3 and give it the name Solid Core. Then press OK. Select Levels, make level 3 the active level, and disable visibility for level 2. Then clear colors. Next, we will move the part so that the origin is at the top center of the part. Select Wireframe, and then select Bounding Box. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all entities, and press End Selection. Make sure Create Geometry, Lines, and Arcs is enabled. Then press OK to finish the command. Select Transform and move to Origin. Hover your mouse cursor over this endpoint until a temporary point appears. Then hover your mouse cursor over this endpoint. 2 more temporary points will appear. Select this one. Select Fit to Screen. Make sure the Z parameter is set to 0. Then clear colors. Save your file. When the warning appears, select Yes.